You sleep for 7, 8, even 9 hours, but you still wake up tired. You think you need more sleep, but the truth is, sleep is not your real problem. Your brain is exhausted, not your body. Every single day, your mind is overloaded. Social media, notifications, stress, overthinking. Your brain never truly rests. Even when you sleep, your mind is still running in the background. And there's one hidden reason behind this: your phone scrolling late at night. Blue light hitting your eyes, constant dopamine from short videos. This confuses your brain. So even after 8 hours of sleep, you wake up mentally drained. And then you make it even worse. The first thing you do in the morning is grab your phone. More scrolling, more dopamine. Your brain gets addicted to easy stimulation. So when it's time to do real work, your mind feels tired, slow, and unfocused. That's why you feel low energy all day. But here's how you fix it. First, stop using your phone at least 30 minutes before sleep. Second, when you wake up, don't touch your phone immediately. Give your brain time to wake up naturally. Third, do something hard first. Read a book, exercise, or start your work. This resets your brain, and slowly, your energy will come back. You're not lazy. You're just mentally exhausted. Fix your brain, and your life will change.